Please welcome to the show, Jason Priestley.
It's a lot of fun.
And you like playing the bad guy.
I do. I like playing a bad. Well, bad guys are more fun because there's no rules, right?
Oh.
There were too many rules with Brandon.
Right.
He was too good.
Yeah, he was.
He
was just too good, and that's in those days we all liked good so much, and now we all like bad so much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
exactly.
we like bad. I understand that you like to cook, and you cook a lot for your wife and 2 kids.
I do. Yes, I do. I love to cook.
And your wife disputed that. I heard on the telephone. My producer was talking to you, and your wife overheard.
We compete a lot in the kitchen. Yes.
Well, we're going to make Easter waffles.
Great.
And I think we have a picture of you or your daughter with Easter Bunny. Don't we have a beautiful picture? Who is this? Who is this? Are you the bunny?
No, that's not me in the bunny suit, but my daughter last Easter was completely enamored with the Easter Bunny, and that was the first time my daughter left me for another man.
Special guests, Seth Meyers and Mario Batali, plus an entire reel of my most embarrassing bloopers, only on the 1000th episode of The Martha Stewart Show, Wednesday at 10 on Hallmark Channel Home.